I'm here to tell you that the stuff that Ian's produced in the free internet marketing project is just world-beating. It's absolutely unbelievable stuff. Personally, it's really helped me with the launch of the book that we've just put out, and a ton of other stuff as well. I've probably doubled the organic traffic that we get to our site, and a similar sort of proportion of increase in terms of just the overall visitors to our site as well.
This is a course that you could easily charge like at least $2,000 for, but Ian has created it for you for free. Ian literally takes you by the hand. Even if you're a complete newbie, he'll show you like the macro concepts. He'll show you the overall concepts that you're supposed to know about internet business, and then he even goes in deep and he goes to the computer and he shows exactly how you're supposed to do certain stuff that you might not know how to do.
A month ago I found Ian's training and I just was speechless. There's so much value and everything is easy to follow. He understands it with a personal touch, and he's such a good mentor. He tries to understand what you're thinking, he tries to help you, he tries to motivate you. He's such a good person, and he gives me the opportunity to do what I want. Thank you, Ian.
My background is that I have been studying internet marketing since 2008, and I have spent thousands and thousands of dollars to different training products. And fortunately, last year I found FIMP, and I was really amazed. Do yourself a favor, watch the videos and implement what he teaches, and eventually you will reach success.
But I had bought a couple of courses in the range between $17 and $97. But when I found Ian's training, a guy which has a lot of experience in the industry, he actually gives you all you need to start. So I encourage you to try it. You have nothing to lose, just get inside and see for yourself.
I'm a member of a paid training platform, and I have to say that a lot of the stuff that I have learned there, Ian here provides for free. I can't believe the immense value that he really provides for free. His training is thorough, it's easy to understand, and I really like his teaching style. He's not boring at all. At the end of the day, if you're looking for a really good foundation on internet marketing for free, this is the best place to get it.
What I personally found really helpful is the niche training, which is in-depth and really good compared to other courses online. Secondly, if you join the FIMP, you will gain access to the Facebook group, which I think is amazing. People there are not spammy, don't try to promote their content, and are always there to answer any questions you might have. Don't waste more time looking for other courses, and join the FIMP community now.
If you want a reliable, proven, step-by-step method to make money on the internet, then the free internet marketing project is for you.